Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change Equalizer Preset for your headphones Logitech G933. You have to start by open Logitech G Hub application, and of course you need to add your headphones to the app. Then you will see them at the device list, you need to click on it. And right here, you should be in the headphones. Firstly, to change Equalizer Preset, we need to enable Advanced Equalizer. So, click right here, and here's presets what Logitech offer for us. So, you can select the best one for you. Let's say I want a cinematic preset. And now we use this preset. If we go somewhere and return here, as you can see, we use this preset. We can also click Browse More Presets and check what another users made. Let's say you can select this preset and just install it for you, but you need to enter into your account. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!